Today we'll be checking out the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace advanced booking system that introduces the new product type, that's the booking product, that will allow the marketplace sellers to sell booking services as a product. The new product type, that's the booking product. Under that, you can create appointments, event tickets, rental products, hotels, table booking, etc. And this basically will convert your store into a dynamic event-driven site. And this product type lets the sellers manage all the necessary details of the booking product, like date available, slot period, stock value, and price settings, and much more. Kindly note that this particular plugin is an add-on to the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul, so you'll have to have that first. And this particular plugin, that's the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace advanced booking system module, is compatible with the marketplace version 2.1.7 and above. So today we'll be checking out the table booking system, or the table booking product type, wherein you can see that I've created a book your table product, wherein we'll be booking a table, and we'll be checking the workflow at the customers end, how the customers can book the tables according to the, as you can see here, we are charging per table, and we have set the number of guests per table, and you'll be charged per table. And here you have to enter the number of tables that you want to book, and we also can do it according to the guest. We can charge per table as well as we can charge per guest as well. So I'll be showing you that in a while from now, but before we proceed with the workflow of this particular plugin, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. Now I've logged into the customer account. As you can see, I've logged into the customer account right now. I'm on one of the product types, that's the table booking product type, and I've created one product, that's the book your table. So I've set the price to $10, and we are charging per table, and per table we are having 2 guests here. You can set that up from the backend, how many guests you want to have per table, and the charge would be applicable per table there. And now coming down here, you can find the location of this particular table booking, or the booking that you're going to make for a table within a restaurant there. So you can view it on the map as well. So you can tap on the view on map, you can open that up in the Google Maps. It automatically opens up in the Google Maps, and you can find the particular location of the table booking that you're going to make. Now coming back, then you have the contact us info. Here you can contact the particular vendor of this particular table booking. If you have any queries, you can enter the subject your query, and you can submit that up, and that will be sent out to the particular vendor's email address, and then he can revert back to you on your email address. So right now I'm logged into my account here as a customer, so that's why automatically my name and my email address is automatically filled there. Now coming to the availability, you can set these slots to be available each day. So whatever slots that you have created would be available for each of the days there. What you can do is you can create particular slots for each day of the week as well. You can keep some closed, some days closed, some days you can keep it as open, and the days that you want to keep it open, for those days, for example, for Monday you want to keep it open, and Tuesday you want to keep it open. So for Monday you can add multiple slot timings there, and I'll be showing you that as well in a while from now. And here you can find the time duration for the table booking, that's for 50 minutes. This can be set when we are creating the product from the backend under the marketplace vendors account panel. So below that you'll find the book a table option, and here you'll have to choose a date. So because we are available every day, so for each day the particular time slots that we have created would be available. The same time slots would be available for each day of the month there, as you can see. So let's choose it as 6 p.m. on 29th May. So let's enter the number of tables I want to purchase, or I want to book 2 tables. Also, if you have any special requests or notes, you can set that up, and for example, you want a preference to a window there, a table booking, that a table that is near to the window. You can add that up, and if you have any other special requests for your table booking, you can enter that up in this particular note section that you can see here, the special request notes. Now, after choosing your date and your time slot there for your table booking, you'll tap here on the book now. Now, right now, because we are charging per table, so if I'm booking 2 tables, then the cost would be $20. I'll be booking 3 tables, the cost would be $30. And for each table, 2 guests are allowed there. Now, the customer just needs to tap here on the book now button, and this would add the particular table booking that you want to make, along with the number of tables that you want to request into your cart. So you can see that we have added the book your table product into the shopping cart, and here we'll find the details as well. The booking date is 29th May, and the booking slot is 6 p.m. in the evening, and this would be charged per table, and for each table there are 2 guests on each table. Okay, and here's the quantity that we are going to purchase. There are 2 tables. Now right now we are seeing only $10, but as soon as we proceed to checkout, we'll see the value to raise to $20, because we are going to book 2 tables there. So here under the order summary on the payment method page on the right hand side, we have the order summary. Here you can now see that the order total is $20, and we have 2 items in the cart because we are booking 2 tables there, and the booking date is 29th May. The booking slot is 6 p.m. in the evening, and it would be charged per table, and per table we are having 2 guests. So this depends upon the marketplace vendor who is creating this table booking. So if he wants, he can set this as to 2 guests, 4 guests, 5 guests, depending upon the size of the table there. The customer just needs to choose his payment method, and he needs to tap on the place order button thereafter. So the order has been placed. Let's check the order details, and the same details of the table booking would be visible to the customer here as well. He'll be able to see the booking date, the booking slot that he has purchased, and he can see how he is being charged for this particular order. So the charge is per table, and each table is having 2 guests, and you can see that the total is $20, and the payment method is cash on delivery. Now the same is visible to the marketplace vendor whose table booking product this is. Under the marketplace dashboard, he can go to the order history to check the particular order that has been placed by the customer. So I'll just tap here on the order history. So here's the order number 601, book your table, booking date 29th, booking slot, charge per table, and ordered 2. Now let me take you to the marketplace dashboard here for the vendor, and let me show you how he can create this particular uh, table booking system and table booking product basically. So he'll have to navigate to the advanced booking system. Under that he has the add booking product and the booking product list and view questions. Now the view questions are for the hotel booking product types. So under the booking product list, he'll find the complete list of booking products that he has created. So I've already created this table booking product, so I'll be editing that up and I'll be showing you the rest of the flow there. And let's go to the book your table once again at the storefront. So here we are on the storefront once again. So now I'll be changing the availability here, and I'll be changing the charge per table to charged per customer there, or charged per guest there. And for that, let's go back. So here's the marketplace booking product list under the advanced booking system, and here's the product book your table. Let me edit that up. So I'll just be making some kind of changes there, and I'll show you the flow there, what you need to set up to create your table booking there. So but before that, let me show you how exactly you can create a booking table. So for that, again, you have to go to advanced booking system, add booking product. So here we can add multiple type of booking products. As you can see, to add a table booking, you have to choose table booking, then tap on the continue button. After tapping on the continue button, we'll come to this particular page. Here you'll be choosing your category. Set your product name, the description. The same description is visible here. Under the more information, we have the location, address, country, and the state where this particular table booking is going to be done. Now, after that, let's go back to the booking product. So here you'll have to set your SKU, the price that you want to set up, and the rest of the basic details, your images. Then coming to the contact info, you'll set up your address, your country, your state, your location. The same is visible then here on the front end as well, the location there. The customers can view it on the map as well, and the same is visible then here in the more info section as well, location, address, country, and the state there. Now we have already seen that we can tap here on the contact us button as well. So now let me change the availability here, and let me change the charge per table to charge per guest. So for that, here you can see that we have the charge per table right now, and the number of guests per table is 2. You can set it to 2, 3, 4, 5 depending upon the capacity of your single table. Now if I want to change it to charge per guest, I'll just remove this number of guests per table. I'll choose it as guest. The rest of the things will remain same. Maximum guest capacity, slot duration, that's 50. This is visible here. Time duration, the slot duration. Then we have same slots for all days. Yes, so that's why we are having the same slots for each day. As you can see, for each day we are having the same slots there. But if you want to have different slots there, let's close it out. Now for each day of the week we can set the slots. So for Monday, for example, let's set you can basically add multiple slots for each day as well. So for Monday, let's set the time slots there. Okay, from 10 till 8 p.m. in the evening. For Tuesday, let's add a slot. It's starting from 7 a.m. till let's say 7 till 8 p.m. in the evening. For Wednesday, let's add one more slot, and I'll set it as from 12 to 6 p.m. So that's how you can set the different slots for all days there if you want. And I've set it as charge per guest now. Let's tap here on the save button. Now as soon as this product will save, I'll just take you to the storefront. So initially we had charge per table, and each table has 2 guests. So now let me refresh the page once, and now you can see that now it's charging charge per guest. So here also you'll get number of guests. Initially when we were using the charge per table, we had number of tables here. Now right now we have number of guests here. The rest of the things are same, and the availability here you can see that today it's available from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. For Monday, for Tuesday it's 7 to 8, Wednesday it's 12 to 6 p.m, Thursday it's closed, Friday it's closed. So here as well, for example, if I go to Friday, on Friday it's closed, so it's closed, showing here closed. So I have to go to Wednesday. So if I go to Wednesday, I have to go to the next month, Wednesday. For Wednesday, we have 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. For 12 p.m., 12 to 6 p.m. You can see that because each slot is of 1 hour, so the starting time is 12 p.m. and the end slot time is 5 p.m. and between each we have 50 minutes gap there. So that's how we can set the charge per guest as well, and then you can choose your particular number of guests, set up your special request there, and then tap here on the book now button to add the particular table booking there according to charge per guest there. So yes, that was much about the plugin itself, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com. You can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.